focus on a deadly disease affecting more than 110,000 Hoosiers and their loved ones. The push to provide more resources for those households.
WRTV's Meredith Hackler explains advocates are working with state lawmakers to help those with dementia-related diseases, which kill 1/3 of senior citizens.
Nearly 20%. That's how much of an increase the Alzheimer's Association expects there to be in people suffering from dementia and Alzheimer's by 2025. That's why they say a bill working its way through the State House is vital to creating more resources.
When I visit my beautiful mother, I feel like I'm looking at myself.
Darlene Bradley is no stranger to Alzheimer's. It all started with her father, who died of the disease in 2015. Not long after, her mother was diagnosed. Then, in 2018, so was she.
It was very scary and a bit heartbreaking. Of course, it changed my husband and I's plans for retirement.
Bradley, who had to retire early due to her diagnosis, has since been advocating for Alzheimer's research across the state. And most recently, she's been supporting House Bill 1422.
Would create what we call a dementia care specialist program. So it would bring more dementia expertise into local communities by creating some full-time positions at aging-focused agencies.
The bill would dedicate $3 million to the program and create 15 full-time positions over the next 2 years. Those specialists would work with families to get their loved ones the help they need. That extra support is something people like Bradley say is needed.
My family will be affected. I've passed the propensity to have that onto my children and grandchildren, and so it's just going to become so much more prevalent in the future.
This legislation is something that Governor Eric Holcomb supports, especially as Indiana has one of the highest death rates from the disease. However, he says this is just one piece of an even larger puzzle to solve the ongoing problem.
It's not just one action that you can take that's going to drastically usually move the needle.
House Bill 1422 passed out of the Public Health Committee today unanimously. It now heads to the Ways and Means Committee for consideration. At the State House, Meredith Hackler, WRTV.
The Alzheimer's Association on a national level is also advocating for 2 recently FDA-approved drugs to be covered by Medicaid and Medicare. Both have shown to prolong cognitive ability for patients.